So we're going to review the steps to solving a system of equations. Remember, these steps can be used with any of the methods that we learned throughout this unit, so if you ever get stuck, you can definitely refer back to this list. The first step is to combine the two equations to solve for one variable. The two methods that we are going to learn in this unit are called substitution and elimination. So you'll be able to pick between those depending on which one you think works best for that situation. The goal here is to combine the two equations to get only one variable. It should then look like one of the practice problems that we've been doing where you can easily solve for that one variable. Once you have that, you're ready to move on to step 2. Step 2 is where you literally are taking that value and plugging it back into one of the original equations to solve for the other variable. You have to use one of the original equations. You cannot use one that you have moved around. So if you need to, go back to the ones on the actual paper that you were given or your worksheet, because those are the original equations. For example, in number 1, if you found that x equals 2, you would take that x equals 2 and plug it in for x in one of your original equations to solve for y, or the other variable. Once you have this is your solution. Remember, you always write your solution as a coordinate point, so it would be like parenthesis x comma y, and then you close your parentheses. But then you're ready to go on to your check step. This is important, as always, with check steps. You check it by plugging in both values, the x value and the y value, to the other original equation. It is important that you do not use the same equation that you used for part 2. You have to use the other one. If this works and it checks out, that means that your solution will work in both lines or both equations.